Oh, Manila, you stole my heart once again. But now it's time to bring a little early spring magic back to my haven. But first things first. These chargers are so beautiful and they're from my sister. Thank you very much. I love it because it's got that black gold combination on it. It's a little bit art deco-ish, which I love, as you know. January blues got nothing on me. Time to pack away the holidays and make way for fresh energy. Let's give this little space a little revamp again. Today is January 29th and Christmas decors are down. Finally, after a 6-week-long trip to Manila. Yes, we spent the holidays there and I decided to keep the decors just because we want to celebrate, even if it's late, the new year. I want to celebrate it with the kids, and we did Saturday night, so 2 nights ago. Bring in the new and let your space reflect your vibrant spirit. Taking down the gold velvet curtains, draperies. And then I decided to get a new set. Black velvet ones this time, at least for the still cold weather. Now let's unbox this Lilabo Santal that I ordered online. It's the perfect blend of smoky sensuality, clean comfort. Now where do I put you, my precious? Its minimalist design is a breath of fresh air. The intoxicating scent fills the room, transporting me back to chic Parisian cafes. So here's the before. And if there's only one thing that you can do, add black. Not just curtains, but some accessories, even wallpaper. It creates a big impact. I am loving this combination of the heavy black winter drapes together with the airy sheer curtains in off-white. Both are from Amazon and I'm linking it down below. This is starting to feel good. So guys, what do you think of this little haven now? It feels fresh, clean, and ready for spring. Even in a small space, a few changes can make a world of difference. So remember, don't wait for a big move to hit refresh. Embrace the power of small changes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget, style is what you make or break. Till the next one.